Training and listening to music had progressively become complementary activities since 1979 when Sony introduced its first ever Walkman. Changes in music listening technology have influenced the way people listen to music these days, and sportsmen are not an exception. Bluetooth on-ear headphones seem to be quite popular among athletes and sportsmen because of its portability and excellent sound quality. Since sportsmen love to listen to music, the legendary sportswear producer Adidas has introduced some high-quality headphones for sportsmen around the globe. And today, we've selected Adidas RPT-01 Bluetooth Sport on-ear headphones for you.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Adidas RPT-01 is a unique grey-coloured wireless headphone from Adidas that offers excellent comfort. Its ear cushions are made from IPX4 rated comfortable fabrics that don't get damaged from water and sweat. The water-resistant feature lets you wash your favourite headphones, a perfect feature for making it the best sports gear. The headphones are fashionable, lightweight, and comfortable for wearing a long time. The rubber band is super adjustable and you can even remove it if you don't like it. The sound quality of the RPT-01 headphone would never dissatisfy you. The pair comes with highly satisfying sound quality. It catches the low end very well and the vocals are crystal clear along with other mid-frequency sounds. And the high-end sound is heavily balanced. You would love the bass as it never gets loud and distorted. The control knob is easy to use and it lets you control songs, volume and calls. Adidas has made the headphone flexible and durable, similar to the other classy sportswear it produces. The headphone comes with an incredibly strong battery that can let you listen to music for 40 hours non-stop. And the Bluetooth 5.0 technology ensures an excellent signal strength that covers an extended range to ensure uninterrupted wireless music experience. The Adidas RPT-01 Bluetooth Sport on-ear headphones would be a great training gear for athletes, sportsmen, and people who love training with music. We wanted to see how the users have rated these special Bluetooth headphones from Adidas, and we find the customers would recommend others to buy the headphones. The Adidas RPT-01 headphone has got 4.4 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 44 customers' ratings. Users have given high ratings for its excellent sound quality and massive battery power. Here are some comments from real users. One customer has given the headphones 5 stars and commented, "I love these headphones so far. I sweat a lot in the gym and the detachable parts to wash is why I picked them. It cancels external sounds fine. Only when I'm with the music on pause I can hear the people talking. And the music quality is great too. The battery life is excellent. I've used them for almost an entire week at the gym and it drops less than 10% of battery life." Another customer has provided a 5-star rating and wrote, "I think they had a great start with these and will recommend them to everyone that likes Adidas and that's looking for a good over-the-ear headphones that sound great, have amazing battery life and aren't overly expensive. I would say go for these." A few customers didn't like the headphones. Among them, one customer has provided 3 stars and commented, "I like this set of headphones and I especially like the washability feature. However, they're pretty pricey. They're obviously high quality, but some of the design decisions could have been better thought out and tested operationally. I expected a little better design for the price." That's all we have on the Adidas RPT-01 Bluetooth Sport on-ear headphones for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.